Renazyme is basically it's a microbiological aqueous culture. Okay, it is not a chemical per se. And what it does is it has been tried in Devnar and all in Mumbai when Devnar had caught fire. And what it does is it absorbs. It has the capacity to absorb the methane gas. So it is very effective and it can douse the fire within no time. So we are just since morning we are waiting. There has been a logistical problem, to get. I mean, the whatever the transport broke down, and now it is coming by flight. So we are getting it. Somebody has already gone to the airport to get it. So there is a dilution there, which you have to dilute in and put it in the fire brigade tank, and then you have to spray it. It's very effective. So we are just now hoping for that, right now. So that's our hope. Also, we are keeping the mud, everything ready. We have kept, but it's very difficult for the JCB also to move in because it is very hot underneath, and there are pockets that are created of heat. So we don't want any accident to happen.
यूज कसे करतले?
हाँ, ये भाने फायर ब्रिगेडचे हाने स्प्रे करपाचे.
How much of it is being?
We are now getting it for this area. That's what they calculated. The company people are also over here. They calculated that one fire brigade tent, that's about 4,500 capacity, would be enough. So whatever is coming would be diluted into that. It is 1:50. So 1 liter would go in 50 liters. So accordingly
It is under CSR now.
Right now we are not even looking at that. We are just procuring it, and the company people have even told us that you use it because so later on we'll negotiate. Right now it's an emergency, so we're doing our.
See, one of the points made is that the heat has to be reduced. So what is happening towards that?
See, heat has to be. I think all of us know that this entire summer has been terribly hot. It's something which is beyond any of us. Now the entire process of reducing the heat goes on because the JCB is working all the time to to turn it around and to churn it so that when you churn it the heat escapes. But I think because of this extreme heat in the last week, I think the amount of this is all methane and sulfur dioxide that is getting produced and which are highly inflammable.
No, I'm not talking about the heat. I'm talking about the heat, the height.
The heat.
Reducing that accumulation of garbage.
I think in the.
You were supposed to talk with.
In fact, the last press conference which our TCP minister had at Sansad's side. Subsequent to that, there is lot of communication that is going on with Fomento Green, and now a meeting is being fixed on 4th of June. Okay, so we sincerely hope that something comes out of that meeting. So that there has been we have been doing all the communication.
What is this something which you are?
No, it's basically something is basically they have sent us a notice for termination. So we are discussing the terms and conditions and all that now.
सध्या गार्बेज खंय घालता तुम्ही? हांगाचं?
सध्या कामात चलता.
It goes to the plant.
Yeah, it goes to the plant.